We are less than 48 hours away from Virginia's primary elections. Congressman Don Beyer has represented the 8th Congressional District for 6 terms, more than a decade, but now he faces 4 challengers in the Democratic primary. Our Christian Flores takes a closer look at the top priorities for each candidate.
What do you think are the top priorities for voters in this district?
Affordability.
Affordability.
It's affordability.
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 It's the unanimous top priority for the 5 candidates in the Democratic primary for Virginia Congressional District 8. This is a district that includes Fairfax County, Arlington, and Alexandria, where cost of living seems to perpetually be a major concern for residents. Congressman Don Beyer is seeking his 7th term in this seat and points to his record on Capitol Hill.
We have to stop the war. 2/3 of Americans say they can't afford groceries. And the tariffs have just driven up costs for every American. I'm the co-lead on the bill that would do low-income housing tax credits. So 2 million more new homes built in America over the next 8 years.
Former Alexandria City Council member Mo Seifeldein and educator Lorena Bruner say they've heard from voters who are worried about being able to afford health care and childcare.
Affordability is really simple. It is Medicare for all, which is supported by most Americans. Universal childcare. This area has the highest child care rate in the country. Arlington being number 1, Alexandria being top 5.
Getting prices back to where they should be. We're spending too much on childcare, food, rent, also medical care. We should have Medicare for all.
Michael Duffin worked in the State Department before being part of the federal job reductions early in the second Trump administration. Adam Dunigan served in the Marines before becoming a case officer in the CIA. Both candidates say this region is particularly vulnerable to actions by Congress and the White House.
I'm fighting for federal employees, for people in this community who have lost their jobs. I've had 5 of my neighbors move because they lost their income, and we need fighters, and I will fight every minute I'm in office to restore these jobs.
I'm trying to get federal workers back to work with back pay if possible. We need to stop starting wars in the Middle East. We need to have some sensible changes to regulation that govern the things that drive the affordability crisis.
Election Day is Tuesday from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. 7 News on your side will have coverage on air, on social media, and online at WJLA.com. Christian Flores, 7 News.